Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you please like, share, and subscribe? If I turn to subscribe, most definitely welcome. So last week, Somizi was trending after Bahumi and your mother Palesa did some interview, and people wanted Somizi to react and at least give us something or his side of the story, but he just went quiet. And yesterday, he responded to us. I want you to listen to what his response was.
Uyasizwa lesikuphusinamandla sobanika bafunu bomnandi nomdanso thina sabanika nidi. So one thing engizoyenza ke mina, I'm not gonna stop my life because of everything else that's happening around my life. Mara, one thing I'm good kuyo, angirespondi back, ngizokubhlokha. Wakhomenta ngizothukana mari itlantele yami abantwana mari uyathola ukuthi wakhomenta ngiyakubhlokha, angikhomenti next. Bakhona sengibablockile already, bazosola after nibabulise mani babona on the other side. Okay, sharp.
So in short, Somizi is not going to address anybody. He's simply saying whatever you had, please run with that narrative. As of me, I'm going to maintain my silence. But this is so odd, considering that is that guy who's always having something to say about everyone. If somebody does something, he's so quick to do a video. Let me address this and that. Does this mean he is guilty? He's got nothing to say or to address because everything that was said is the truth. On this one, he doesn't have anything to defend himself. Rather, he's saying he's going to block everyone. But the comments are too many. He's going to block more than 5,000 people who are talking about his situation with his daughter, because there are a lot of comments. Let me just put some of the comments so that you guys can see how bad the issue is, and people really demand some answers from him, from a guy who bought 13 cakes. I saw a comment on Facebook. Somebody said he can't do that because he also celebrated my twin's birthday. He came with cakes and they spent a lot of money, like 10,000 rands. He can't be that guy. And some people were like, that's what a narcissist do. He likes by all means to make himself good out there, but back to the people that are close to him, he doesn't do all that thing. So he likes to manipulate the public so that he looks good uh, in the public eyes, but back home he's not all that. From the comments, I see a lot of people are saying he should buy, yeah, at least a car. We know that she's 30 years old. She's old enough to run her life and do her things. But at least he should show that something to his child. He's living in a mansion whilstly his child is suffering. That's most of the comments that you are seeing. The people are complaining that, yes, we understand that she's now an adult, but at least do something. And there's a group of people that is saying that she's old enough to take care of herself, but that group is not realizing that there are other people who are even 40, 50 who still get assistance from their parents. And considering her situation, that at some point she didn't even have somewhere to stay and their mother was struggling financially. Probably that period, that is when she was supposed to go to school. She couldn't even get money to go to school. So yeah, progress delayed because of a lot of factors. Hence she's 30 without anything tangible. She doesn't have a job. She doesn't have a lot that is going on in her life because of the foundation that she had, or after matric there was a lot of challenges that she encountered and her father was not in her life. So I think there's something that the father needs to do so that he can see her child well taken care of. I don't know what you guys think on this situation because it's getting out of hand. Are people supposed to bombard him with a lot of questions and also all the hate speech that they are doing on him because of the interviews that happened last week? Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. Those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed. See you in my next video.